Hey market friends! Welcome back to Will of the Market. Today, we're turning the spotlight on a rising name in power semiconductors. Navitas Semiconductor, NVTS. Think industry meets AI. We'll see why Navitas has grabbed attention, what they actually make, and whether this hype is justified. Let's get started. Part 1: What Navitas does. Navitas is not your average chip company. They focus on GaN, gallium nitride, and SiC, silicon carbide, power ICs, advanced semiconductors designed for high efficiency, high voltage, fast switching, and lower heat loss. Their GaN fast technology merges power, drive, control, sensing, and protection in a single chip. That's a big deal. Instead of several components, one chip does more. Use cases? Think fast chargers for phones, EV charging, data centers, telecom, energy infrastructure. They're aiming for the places where power and efficiency costs real money. One of their marquee recent moves, a partnership with NVIDIA. NVIDIA chose Navitas' GaN and SiC chips to support its next-generation data center power architecture, 800 volts HVDC, rack-level power, a vote of confidence. That's like Tony Stark giving you access to his suit's power core. It's a headline magnifier. Part 2: Recent moves and price reaction. The recent ride for NVTS has been electric, pun intended. The stock has surged dramatically, from under $2 to over $8 per share in a short span after the NVIDIA tie-up was announced. One day, it jumped approximately 23.3% in intraday trading as volume exploded. Also, the company's Q2 2025 results. Revenue came in $14.5 million, down versus prior year, and EPS about -6 cents. On the analyst side, mixed signals. Rosenblatt lifted their target and reiterated, buy. Needham reaffirmed a buy rating with an $8 target. Meanwhile, some skeptics warn of overvaluation and heavy dilution risk. So, the stock is showing fireworks, but underneath, the fundamentals and risk are still messy. Part 3: Investor sentiment and what the crowd thinks. Here's what people are saying. The options market gives a bullish tilt. Put-call ratio is very low. Approximately 0.26, meaning more calls than puts. But sentiment is mixed in the media. NVTS news sentiment is mild. Market beat gives it a neutral score, approximately 0.51. On analyst ratings, consensus is moderate buy. Some give it buy, others more cautious. Insider activity is eyeballed. Sizable insider sales have been reported, which raises caution. Investors are allocating modestly. On average, portfolios hold approximately 3.4% of Navitas when they do invest. So sentiment is hopeful. Many want to believe, but a lot are watching carefully. If Navitas were a character in Mission Impossible, it's the gear maker, behind the scenes but absolutely essential to the mission's success. The NVIDIA deal gives it spotlight, but the real test is whether the tech scales, execution holds, and investors stick through volatility. My take: NVTS is a speculative, high beta play. It has potential, but only if it delivers. If I were you, I'd start small, if at all, tighten risk controls, and watch for execution in 2026-2027. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, and drop NVTS in comments if you want a deep dive versus pure GaN, SiC names. Until next trade, may your gains be bright, and your errors small.